Good morning. Good morning. Today is Thursday, November 19th, and I am taking a look at the E-mini S&P 500 futures. Again, I look at the futures in the morning because it trades pretty active all night long, so I can see exactly what's going on. Now, when I actually trade myself, I trade the SPY options. I have option strategies I do on the SPY. Yesterday, I was talking a little bit about doing put spreads, ratio back spreads, because the volatility was a little low and I was expecting a pullback. We got a nice pullback yesterday. I expect some follow through today. Let's take a look back at the ES, see what if anything's going on. And let us see here. Oh, that's not that's a stock. I get that one once in a while. Let's get the futures up here. Okay, there's the futures today. As you can see, it was lower earlier, and it started to come back a little bit in the overnight. Let's look at a 39-minute. You see it hit its low at about 3:45 this morning, and it's been steadily making a nice pop back. But what I expect is more of the same, more down. I'm thinking. Here, look at the daily. I still think we're going to get into here, into this mess right here, between 34.55 and 3,500, which would relate to. We'll go back to the SPY. Okay, let's go back here. This area, 347, 345 to 350. This is where I think we're going back into, in this whole area down here. And then I expect it to go right back up again. Don't know when it's going to get there, but I'm assuming pretty soon. I do not expect a bounce right back up, although it has happened in the past where it just has one of these one-day flashes and goes up. But I have a pretty good idea that, based on the volatility and everything, that I think it's coming down. Volatility is still pretty darn low. We check that with the VIX. This is the VIX index. Now you see this is the 20-day moving average of the VIX. The VIX loves the 20-day moving average. That's and you see it just for a long period. It stretches away, but it always comes back in and loves to hang around the 20. And it's pretty low right now, pretty deep below, which means there's lack of fear in the market. So I expect it to spike, which means some fear will come into the market for one reason or another, which is why I expect that pullback on the S&P 500. And again, the way I trade, I do not ever have a hurry. I mean, I use option strategies that I might adjust once a day or once every other day based on what's going on in the market. So that is the news for today.